This is yummy.
Here I have 1 sprig of mint. I'm going to chop this very coarsely. I have 3 red chili pepper. I'm going to grind this and make a paste of this mint leaves and the chili pepper. Adding 1 tablespoon of refined oil. I'm using 3 pieces of pomfret, 500 grams each, so a total of 1.5 kilo. The basic ingredients are ginger garlic paste, garam masala or the spice mix. This mainly has cinnamon sticks, green cardamom, black cardamom and cloves. Turmeric powder, coriander and cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, tandoori masala paste, yogurt. Now I'm going to slit the pomfret so that when I marinate, the masala penetrates into the flesh. I'll start the marination by adding some brown sugar. Then comes in some salt, the garam masala, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin and coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of refined oil, the chili and mint paste, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 5 tablespoons of tandoori masala paste. Rub the spices on the fish thoroughly. As I mentioned, the slit will help the masala to go in, to penetrate into the flesh, making the dish more flavorful. I have added some shrimps to make this a complete seafood platter. Set this aside for 30 minutes. Now I am going to skewer the shrimps. Set this aside. Now we are going to tawa fry this tandoori pomfret on the stove. Put some more olive oil on top. Drizzle generously. Considering the size of the fish, this recipe will take around 30 minutes to cook. I'm going to flip this for the final time. Now I'm going to shallow saute the shrimps. I'll smear the pan with some oil. I'll place the skewers. Shrimps cook really fast, so each side shouldn't take more than 3 to 4 minutes. Shrimps tend to become rubbery and hard if cooked longer. Again, flip halfway through.
This is yummy.